Alright, I just got this new custom order in. Ta-da! The Bullet the Budgie hat. Now, I had seen these hats for sale by a CupofConure on Etsy, and she had normal budgie ones, male budgies mostly, and cockatiels. But I sent her my artwork, a rework of what she had done, and I had the eye colors changed to pink and the cheek spots to lavender, and I gave her eyelashes, and I wanted it in white because this would look like Bullet. And I love it. This hat is really soft, it's really warm. I've already tried it on. The only thing I don't like is that it's really tall, and so my round head goes to about there, so this part is left all loose and poofy and boofy. But yeah, I can live with that, I suppose, because everything else about it is perfect, and the customer service was excellent, communication was wonderful, and I really, really liked it. It's my budgie girl as a hat, Bullet. The customer service on this was great. During the making process, I was kept informed of what was going on, as well as I was sent this awesome making of video. And here is how she looks on a mannequin head. Please pardon the mess in the background. I'm working on sending out all those Christmas cards that I printed up. I love this. This has turned out awesome. And like I said, the customer service at the Etsy shop was really, really good. Here it is from the side. This head's about the same size as mine, and I've got it covering the ears, so yeah, this is the only thing I don't like. I kind of was hoping it would be round, but I can live with that because otherwise it looks so nice. Maybe I can put a little puffball on top. So there we go. The Bullet the Budgie hat. I think my budgie girl would be proud.